Good day, everyone. I welcome you all back to my channel. This is Fashion Blast Up, your number one YouTube channel for anything entailing modest ways. If you are just coming across this channel, do wait to subscribe and don't forget to click the notification button so as to be notified whenever I upload any of my videos. To my returning subscribers, thank you all. Today we are making this Kampala gown with Aso-Oke as the design. So it's quite a very simple style to make. So the Kampala fabrics, so don't call it batik, it comes in 5 yards. So I'm working with a gown length of 57 inches. So the first thing I did is to cut out 59 inches in two places, and I then folded into 4 as seen. Now the next thing is to mark down the sleeve, the round sleeve. So I'm making the round sleeve to be 12 inches. So that is what I marked there. Now to my horizontal measurements, the hip is actually the widest in my measurements, which is 40, so that is 10, and that is what I will be making use of, and I'll be adding 4 or 5 each allowance. So I'll be marking, if I divide 40 into 4, that gives me 10. So plus 4-inch allowance, that's 14. So 14 is what I marked right from the posts to the down part of the gown, which is what I'm now cutting out. So I'm trimming out the excess I'm having at the down part of the gown. The measurement from the back to the sleeve length is actually 20. So that is what I'm folding and notching down there. So now I measure down the 57-inch, which is the gown length as seen. So now let's get down to the neckline. So the wideness for both front and back is 3. That is what I marked there. So for the back, that will be 3 by 2, and for the front I'm making it 3 by 6. So, and I'm making it V. So now to the, I cut the back out, then the front as well. So I'm notching both the shoulder line. Now to the cutting of the Aso-Oke. The required length of the Aso-Oke on the Kampala is actually 40-inch. So I cut out 45-inch because it will extend to the back of the gown as well. So the next thing is just to open the dress up and place it on the Aso-Oke this way. Remember, the Aso-Oke is into two fold. So the next thing is to cut it out this way. So I notched this shoulder line as well. Now to the remaining work is now on the Aso-Oke. So here I actually want the length to be 8 inches. So remember I said the Aso-Oke is in two folds. So I'm marking out the 4 inches, which will give me 8. So with that, the remaining part is what I'll be folding in while joining it to the body of the dress. So I'm marking out 4-inch there as well, in order to have a fine shape at the back of it. This is how it will look when being placed together. The next thing is to join it to the batik Kampala. So after all the joining, this is what you have. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and kindly click the notification button so as to be notified whenever I upload of any of my videos. Thank you.